I'm Judy Shaw for What's the Fund? Joining me today is Joe Terranova. He is Chief Market Strategist at Virtus Investment Partners. Joe, it's great to have you on What's the Fund?
It is awesome to be here. Thank you for having me.
My pleasure. So now tell me, what's the fund you're talking about today?
We are talking about the Terranova U.S. Quality Momentum Index, which is tracked by the Virtus Investment Partners Quality Momentum ETF, ticker symbol JOET, and it is now here at the New York Stock Exchange. This is the home of JOET.
Okay, the home of JOET. So tell me about JOET and what's the strategy?
Okay, so several years ago, sitting on the set of CNBC, everyone would come on the show and they'd say, well, we've got this particular stock and we think it's going to continue to go higher. Why? What's the reasoning? Well, they're looking at a chart. They're basically just seeing the chart is going from the lower left to the upper right. That's momentum. Momentum is fine as a factor, but what I wanted to do was improve upon the factor of momentum, the single factor of momentum. How do we do that? We overlay it with a second factor, a quality factor, and we look at quality uniquely. We look at quality in terms of debt to equity, return on equity, and also what's the revenue growth over a 36-month period. We combine quality and momentum, two factors together, and we're equally weighted, so we don't look like the S&P 500, which is market cap weighted.
Okay, so now tell our viewers, where should they go to learn more about this fund?
Well, if viewers want to learn more about the fund, well, I'm sure at the New York Stock Exchange they could learn a lot about it, but they could also go to the Virtus Investment Partners website. We've got a tremendous amount of great thought leadership on the website, and you could also learn more about the JOET ETF product itself.
All right, well, Joe, great to have you on What's the Fund?
Thank you so much for having me.